morning, students. The name of the chapter is Model Auxiliary. We had already written about what are the functions and what are the attitudes of the model auxiliaries. So first, try to understand that what is the meaning of model. The first model, and the second one is model. There is a difference between what? There is a difference between first model and the second model. This model means what? It is related to the model auxiliary. What? Model auxiliary. And the second one is model. Model. Model means what? A particular rule. Imagine करना है, there is a model, like as you, like as me. If the given person is given a rule, that person is called the model. And the similar word to the model is what? Model. And the next one is example. Okay. So try to understand that what is the meaning of this model and this one. This one is the model and this one is model. Now we are going to study about what are the functions of the model auxiliary. Model auxiliary, there are near about 13 model auxiliaries. There are 13 model auxiliaries and 24 auxiliary verbs. Which one? So today we are going to learn about the model auxiliary verbs. So what are the functions of model auxiliary? First one is model auxiliary, यानी कि model never comes alone or single. Never comes single. Example, we should hope. Now according to the concept, just focus on the example. Never comes single. Model auxiliary never comes single. We should hope. Now the concept is the model auxiliary, it never comes single, यानी कि ये सेंटेंस क्या हो जाएगा? रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. यानी कि we have to take, we should, then we want, we should stay at home. This one is the correct construction. This one is the right construction. We should stay at home means subject plus model auxiliary, and the next is we1, and the next is the object. This one is the first concept. Model auxiliary never comes single. The first sentence is given, we should home. There is a subject, model auxiliary, but we just write the first sentence without what? Word. So subject, model auxiliary, and the direct object. So this sentence is meaningless. Meaningless. What is the meaning of meaningless? Means the construction will be meaningless without word, and we have to use V1 after the model auxiliary. Okay. Mr. Shukri?